Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming compatibility and permissions so the app can hear clearly. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then enable Live Transcribe and grant microphone access. Otherwise, transcription won't start. Once enabled, open the Live Transcribe app from the app drawer. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off so audio isn't blocked. Place the phone about 1-2 feet from the speaker and lower ambient noise. This improves accuracy significantly because the model relies on clear input. Once the app is open, configure language and sound labels so Live Transcribe knows what to prioritize. Choosing the correct language improves results. Tap the keyboard icon to type replies or edit text, and use Save to keep transcripts for later. Pin important lines to the top when you need quick access. Make a short test phrase and adjust mic sensitivity if speech is clipped or noisy. This helps you balance background sound rejection versus capturing soft voices. To finish, save or share your transcript. Tap Save and choose Files, or hit Share to send via messages or email. This preserves the session and lets you search text later. If transcription is inaccurate, retry in a quieter room, update the app and system, or reboot the phone. These quick steps often resolve issues. If Live Transcribe won't start, go back to Accessibility and reset microphone and Live Transcribe permissions. That single fix usually restores functionality immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.